Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are opening the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser Drinking Chocolate calendar. I am so surprised I'm not in a chocolate coma right now, or maybe I am, and this is all a dream. This is, it's been really good. I highly recommend the Velvetiser. I've ended up buying a few from Hotel Chocolat as well. So I've got some extra reviews of some of the other flavours that'll be coming sort of after the Christmas period now, just as we get up to Christmas. But we are on day 22, nearly there at the big day. We've literally got 3 more left to open. We can check them out, see what the flavours are like. We're now, I think, on repeats, but we are doing them cold. So we did 22, which I know is on the back. Yep, there we go. So this is number 22. See what flavour we've got. Maybe it's a new one. Maybe it's one we've not tried before. I don't think we've done this. I will need to go back and check out the videos. But I think we've had an 85% chocolate, not a 70, and we've had a 50. So this is classic 70. Let's see if we can get that. There we go. So this is classic 70%. There we go. I don't know. Our classic bestseller, not too sweet, not too intense. I don't think we've done this. I was under the impression there was going to be a lot more repeats in this calendar, but with the way that it's going, I don't think there is. I will double check this anyway, see whether we've done it before. If we haven't, we'll do it hot. If we have, we will do it cold. So check out for the review, and don't forget, subscribe and like and comment below if you've got any recommendations for chocolate. I haven't tried any other chocolate in it. I was kind of going to stick to the Hotel Chocolat. It does say that it's made especially for this. And yeah, you can get mint anywhere and all the other different flavours you want. Check around for the review. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to day 22. This morning, as you saw, we opened the advent calendar, the Velvetiser advent calendar, and it was the 70% classic. There we go. If that will fit in. So with 70% classic, classic bestseller, not too sweet, not too intense. I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed it when I did it hot. But obviously, because we've already opened one and we did that hot, today we are going to be trying, seeing what it's like cold. Although it doesn't feel too cold, actually. I think the ice is properly melted on this. I only put a tiny little bit in. So here we go, 70%. Let's have a see what this is like. Yeah, that works. Works as a cold drink as well. It's not too cold, but it's again, some of the chocolate's sweet and it works really good, but the bitter chocolate seems to work a little bit better. I do like dark chocolate, I will admit. I do really like the dark chocolates. But this one, yeah, 70%. I think it's just the right amount. I think, did I try an 85%? And that was a little bit too bitter. This is just perfect. It's really smooth, really creamy. A bitter, but not too bitter. There is a slight sweetness to it in the cold. But yeah, really creamy, really sweet. Really like this. I'm going to give this I'm going to give it a 9. No, I'm not. I'm going to give it an 8. I should have put a bit more ice in it. That's my fault. But I'm going to give that an 8. So there you go. 2 more days left after today. That's 70%. We'll see what we've got tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Until tomorrow, cheers and bye for now.